What's up, YouTube? I wanted to bring out my 1975 Peterbilt 359. Picked it up today. We're gonna do a restoration on it. It's a nice truck. Real good condition for its age. As you can see, not too much rust. You see, it's not rusted out too bad. Some surface rust, but we're gonna take it and probably sandblast it all down and repaint it up anyways. Gonna take these tanks off and get them cleaned up, or either get new ones. But one thing I definitely want to do is move this tank forward closer to the stack, close up that gap in the front, and clean it up back here in the back. We keep going, we're going around. It got 24 5s on it. I'm not sure if I'm gonna leave the 24 5s on it or go down to 22 5s, but either way, we're gonna get some aluminum wheels on this thing. As you see, this thing ain't got no air ride. No air ride at all, so it's gonna ride a little rough, but it'll be okay. We might take care of that sooner or later anyway, either get a cut off or try to do something to take care of that, but keep on walking around, show you what it look like. It's not too bad, like I say. Really not bad for its age though, that's the main thing. Tires on this side, but I ain't worrying about the tires. All those got to be replaced. They can use, like I said though, not too much rust. Well, not no bad rust anyways. This truck got a long wheelbase on it. I'm not sure if it came like this from the factory or it was stretched at one point. But what got me thinking that it was stretched is, I don't know if y'all guys can see or not, but you can see where it's been double framed in that one spot and welded. I'm not 100% sure if y'all can see that or not, but there's no big deal. I like it long like that. It look good. Look real good, but we're gonna keep walking on around. Keep walking on around. As you can see, we got some stuff we're gonna replace. Probably get some new battery boxes and steps put on this thing. We definitely got to replace those stacks though. Probably gonna replace that air cleaner, get a nice chrome one. This truck's it's got the block of a big cam Cummins in it. The top end's been taken off. They started to do an end frame on it, but they never finished. So I'm probably just going to end up buying a whole nother one and taking that one out of there. It's supposed to be a 13 speed, but I'm not 100% sure. But like I said, as y'all can see, before 75 though, this truck is in real good shape. It got brand new steer tires on it. Brand new. Give y'all a look on the inside. Let y'all see what it look like on the inside. That's the inside. It's a little dirty right now, but that's to be expected, right? As you see, I was looking at this. It looked like this had been painted over. It looked like this interior was blue once upon a time, but they tried to paint it red, I guess, to match the rest of the truck. But as you can see, we come on in here. Oh, step on in. But let y'all see that interior. Look at that. That's not bad at all for a 75, if I say so anyways. But we definitely got to get some new seats in this thing. Now, I was thinking about, when I bought the truck, I thought it was going to be a complete cut, but not at all. We're probably going to reuse most of everything in here. Let y'all get a look back here in the sleeper. Don't know if y'all can see pretty good. It's good. It's kind of dark, but it's real nice back there too. Real good condition. Let's say, let y'all see the dash. You see everything's there. Everything's there. Y'all see out the window. They still got the old radio in here. I wonder how old that radio is. Big wheel. Like I said, look at all those gauges. Still in here, ain't none missing. Just a light cover right there. But like I said, all the gauges are here. Y'all please excuse the shaky video. I'm doing this with my phone today, but it's gonna get better over time. When I get me a camera soon, by the time we start the build. But this is it. Got all the paddles, everything. Like I said, for a 75 though, I don't think you can find one in good condition. Like I said, it's supposed to be a 13 speed, but I'm really not 100% sure on that. But we're gonna definitely snatch these seats out of here, get some new seats on both sides. Gonna make it look nice. I see a hole up there, y'all see that hole? Probably have to get a boot to go around that, to seal that back up, seal everything back up. Gonna update it, probably change the speakers and everything, radio, lights and everything, try to, you know, update it a little bit as much as we can. We definitely, like I said, we definitely gonna end up taking these stacks off. I'm not sure what size I want to put on here yet, but we definitely going to. Definitely going to. Like I said, it's a real nice truck. I would pop the hood for y'all, but the hood missing the cable to hold it from falling all the way forward, and definitely don't want to do that and do more damage. And this hood is all fiberglass. You see it got some bad spots in it, like the fender here. The fender cracked a little bit. I was thinking that's definitely probably got to be an aftermarket hood, cause I'm not 100% sure that they had fiberglass hoods on these trucks in 75. I'm sure they probably was all, you know, all steel, all this stuff right here. I know the fenders and everything was bolt on, but I could be wrong, but I believe it's a replacement. It got some bad spots in it like that right there. Well, that's no biggie. We can fix that. We can fix all of these little spots. It ain't nothing too crazy. But like I said, I just wanted to bring y'all the first video here and just show you the project. Open it up. I would open that door for you, but you got to open that one from the inside. But let y'all look in the toolbox. That hole over there, I got the door open over there, so don't be too overwhelmed. But that's the inside. Like I said, it's really not in too bad a shape. Not in too bad a shape at all. Got all these old hoses on here. We're gonna eventually change all of that. I'm probably gonna rerun these brake lines and everything when I figure out exactly what I want to do with the suspension. Show you the fifth wheel. Probably will end up replacing this too. Might try to find a good wrecked truck somewhere and rob some parts off of it. I got the back lights laying in here, but ain't no biggie. Like I said, for the year, it's in really good shape. That's the main thing. That's the main thing. Not 100% on those what red they got in it. I had to find the numbers on it and check it out. What I hadn't did. So like I said, I just got it home not too long ago, and I just wanted to give y'all a walk around of it. The first walk around. A whole lot more videos coming. I can tell you that. It's going to be a real good project. I honestly hadn't seen another 359 like this one. It's different. If you know some pictures of one similar, let me know down in the comments. But it's the first time I've seen one like this. Maybe it's just the age group. But I'm not gonna bore y'all to death. Just want to give you a walk around on the project. The next video will definitely be starting to work on this thing. Close this door up. Probably had to get some more door latches and stuff like that. The windows good. There ain't no cracks in the windows. The vibes are good. like I say, it's a good solid truck. I mean, you just need a little love. Just need a little love. And we're gonna definitely give it to her. This truck, it will not, it's gonna be a work truck, I can tell you that. It's going back to work. I'm not 100% on what it's gonna be pulling yet, but when everything's done, she's going back to work. She's gonna get a second life. That's the main thing. So, just wanted to give y'all a walk around, the first walk around. Let me get back so y'all can see better. See down the side. See down the side on both sides. Like I said, I'm sorry for the camera and the shakiness, but I'm using my phone today, so like I said, the quality definitely gonna improve. But that's a walk around of it. It's a 1975 Peterbilt 359. And we're gonna start work on it soon. The next video will be us starting work on it. So please like, comment, subscribe, and share. And join the journey of it, getting back on the road.